As you walk through the door, you come into the main reception area. This is split into two sections. You've got the dog waiting area, which is by the main reception desk, and then at the far end of the room is the cat and small furries waiting area. We think that it's best to have them separated. It reduces stress for the cats and rabbits. We've got a corner which is specifically for rabbits with displays. A lot of rabbits aren't cared for properly, and we want to try and promote that rabbits are looked after properly. So there's lots of information. Rabbits need toys, they need exercise, they need looking after. So many times, unfortunately, rabbits get left sitting in a hutch in the corner of the garden and that's it, but they need a lot more stimulation than that. They need to come in for an annual vaccination just the same as cats and dogs. Pharmacy is just off reception. We have 2 staff in pharmacy most of the time. The idea of having 2 staff there is, one, it can get very busy, and also so that the second person can check the dispensing of the medication by the first person, just that we make sure that all the medication going out is the right quantities. We've got 4 consult rooms where the vets can see you. They're all laid out in a very similar fashion. Unfortunately, we do have to put animals down from time to time. It's very sad, and we think it should be done with dignity and respect, and we want to try and make it as easy as possible for pet owners. So we decided that a bereavement room offered that a little extra, really, to allow them the time to be with their pet, what is a very traumatic and distressing time. After your dog's admitted, your dog will be taken through to our kennel area. We have 2 nurses on duty in the kennel area all the time looking after the pets that are in there. The kennel area is split into, again, separate for dogs and cats. We've got larger kennel areas for the larger dogs, going down to the much smaller kennels. Prep is one of the engine rooms of Cherrydown. It's the hub of all activity, and we do a lot of preparation work in there for cats, dogs, rabbits that are going to have operations. They may be clipped there. We do some minor work such as dental work. We also have lab facilities where we have blood and urine testing. Some of the blood and urine we have to send off if we need more in-detailed results, but we can do some of it in-house, which helps us keep the costs down for clients. We have an ultrasound machine which we use for heart scans and for testing pregnancy, etc. Where there's also a video with Paul Smith that accompanies this one that shows one of the things that we can do. We have a state-of-the-art digital X-ray machine. The benefits of this are that it's much quicker and we can get the results straight away. It's also a lot better for the environment. Because it's digital, it means that we can send pictures to anywhere in the world if we need any specialist advice. We've got 3 theatres, 2 that are in use most of the time, and then a 3rd if we need it. The theatres are very modern, well equipped, and they are kept sterile. One of the advantages of Cherrydown is we're close to the town centre, and we have a very large car park, which makes it easy for clients to be able to park and get access to us. Within the building itself, it's fully air conditioned and heated. The air conditioning is throughout the building, so it's there for the comfort of the pets out the back as well as the clients when they come in with their pets. We also appreciate that sometimes our clients do have to wait. Unfortunately, emergencies do come in, so consults don't always run to time. So there is free tea and coffee making available for clients while they wait. The thing about Cherrydown is we want to give the best possible service, and that includes 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We think it's important that clients should be able to phone us up at any time and we can deal with any emergency, any problem they may be having. The other things that we do that other vets don't necessarily do, we have a very active Facebook page. Clients can ask us questions on there. We put out information on there. Our website has a lot of information about us, about pet health. We do a weekly blog on there to do with pet health. Once a month, Jonathan, as the principal vet, does an Ask the Vet session where anybody, whether they're a client of ours or not, can go live on Facebook and ask a question about pet health, and he will answer it straight away. The ethos of Cherrydown is that your pets are one of the family, and we want our clients to feel that way about us.